So we know that each fourth is made up of 3 units. So now it says in 2 and 3, tell if each shows equal or unequal parts. If the parts are equal, label one of the parts using a unit fraction. So let's look at number 2. Look at the parts. Are those equal or unequal? Look at the parts. Are they equal? Meaning, are they exactly the same? Izzy, are those equal or unequal in size? Are they equal or unequal? Look at them. Do you have the same number? Are they the same size? I mean, are they the same size? Yeah, so they're equal. So we're going to write that they're equal. And then we're going to label the parts using a unit fraction. So a unit fraction always has what? A 1, and then we count how many there are, how many we have in the total, how many pieces there are. What is it? Okay, we just did our vocab cards. If we look back at our vocab cards, a unit fraction always has a numerator of 1. A unit fraction represents one part of a whole that has been divided into equal parts. These are equal parts. It has a numerator of 1. What is your numerator going to be? 1. How many parts are there? Count the parts. What is it? 6. So what is our fraction? 1/6. Now, look at our parts here. Number 3, please. Lance, are these equal or unequal? They're unequal. Because are these all the same size?
No.
No, then we call that unequal. Look how these are all the same size. They are all equal in size. That is equal, so it isn't equal. It is equal. When they're all the same size, we call that equal. So we can use this as a fraction. These are not the same, so this is not a fraction. We can't make fractions out of those. That is unequal, so we write unequal. When we're making fractions, all the pieces everything has to be the same size in a fraction, boys and girls. We can't do this. All the parts have to be the same size in a fraction. Now, here's what we have to do. It says draw lines to divide the shape into 8 equal parts. Then write the fraction that represents 1 equal part. So we're going to divide this into 8 equal parts. 8 equal parts. So first, I'm gonna have somebody come up and draw it so we can have it into 8 equal parts. Oh, well, I'm recording, so I really shouldn't have anybody come draw. So how would we do that? How are we gonna make it? So a good start is to do what? To draw a line where? Nina?
To like divide them.
Let's divide it in half. So draw a line to divide it in half. That way, and then how about the other way, Nina? Or no, to draw in 8 equal pieces. How else am I gonna do it?
Maybe another line going down.
How about if we go here? And here. And there. How's that? Are they all equal?
Yes.
Yes, there we go. And then what fraction, Nina, would name one of the one of the parts? One of our equal parts.
1/3.
are we in 3 equal parts?
No.
How many parts do we have?
4. I mean 8.
8. So what would be our fraction? We're naming 1 part. We count how many equal parts we have. How many do we have, Nina?
8.
8. So that would be our denominator.
So then it would be 1/8.
1/8. 1/8. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you are going to, down here, you are going to tell if each shape shows equal or unequal parts. If the parts are equal, label one of the parts using a unit fraction like we did here. So this part is going to look like it did here, like 5 or like 2 and 3. So you're going to do 5, 6, 7. Then for 8 through 10 boys and girls, you are going to draw lines to divide the shape into the given number of equal parts. Then you're going to write the fraction that represents 1 equal part, like we did over there in number 4. And you're going to write the fraction. They have to have the same number in each part of your fraction. What questions do you have about that? Now on the back side, you need to do 11 through 14 and number 17. Oh, and 15.